Hello guys, hi, this is Syedmukarram. Hope you're doing good. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Data Science for Everyone. Today's topic is on regarding navigating the Tableau. So let's get started on how to navigate things on Tableau. So let's go quickly to the Microsoft Excel file. Let's see some office supplies, Excel sheet. So we got a file. Let's go to the data, what it has. Let's go to the sheet 1, resources in the data content. So we could see it has items, order date, region with like representative with unit price and with units sold out and units. So that's it in it. So you could able to see over here there are two things over here: measure values, this one, and this is like items. So this is what is data is divided into, is like it is divided into the items and measure values, and the attribute, it has been divided into two categories, items and into the measure category. These are dependent units and prices are dependent on the items what we have in the region or representative. So let's see how we can move on with this and how we can navigate with different things. Well, this is how this is show me. This is how type of diagram or type of charts we have different overall. So let's see what we have. These are dimensions and the measures over here. So let's see what we have and just click on units for first time. So we could see over here it's saying it's a units 2021. So let's push that into row. Let's bring back to the units. Let's remove from here. So we can do it over here, so it will get removed. So let's put the unit into rows. Let's see how it is. Just the number of units sold. So we are getting in the chart diagram, and then you could see different number. Let's check the region or representative. Let's see. See, I put the region in the column. So now it got central, east or west, 3 regions, and number of units sold. So we are getting now the things, the data, like how it got sold, how many like units got sold in the different region, like central, east and west. And along with that we are getting different type of chat is got activated. Let's see, this is sheet 1. This is normal data, like we have a sheet and text table. This is like heat map. See, this is how it got to the heat map. And let's see another one, highlighting tables. This is what we are getting, that same data, different kind of data we are getting from this. Let's convert it into the pie chart. This is how the data looks into pie chart. Central region, this is east region with units sold, and then west region with units sold. And this is actually a bar graph, and then this is tree map. See, this is central, the most units sold 1199. This is east 691, and this is west 231. So this is how the data is. We will visualize the data into different categories based on the data values and measures. And then let's convert this into circle views. See, the topmost central, it is on top of it area, and then we have east 691, and then we have west, the lowest one, 231. So we can convert this into box and rescue plots. So this is what we get into it, and we can convert this into packed bubbles. See over here how beautiful it is looking over here. At central we have the most of the sale units, and then you can see that it's how little bigger the graph is, the circle, and then east the next with 691 units, and the west with 231 units. So let's see again how we can, let's see what we can do more over here. See, this is all what we have: the coloring, size, text, details, and tooltip. So these are different values where we can uh, uh, label it. So let's see the colors what we have. These are the options what we have: multi-color capacity or opacity, more colors. We can go over here and we can select, and then we have size, the type of size what you want. It will get bigger a little bit if you make it more, so that will not look good. So the size which is normal or below that, that will be great. This is text label. So this is what it will be. If have any data in maps or anything, automatically it will label the data. If we click the reasons or measures into the text value, this is detail, and this is tooltip. So that's it guys for today's session in navigation. So for the next session I will be showing in depth detail how to visualize the data in different charts, pie chart, and different diagrams. So let's move into today's session, and we will be getting back into the next topic as soon as possible. Thank you, have a great day, and that's it for today. Bye bye.